Welcome to our video on the incredible benefits of incorporating just 25 push-ups into your daily routine. Whether you're new to exercise or a seasoned fitness professional, push-ups are a powerful tool for building strength and improving your overall health and well-being. When it comes to exercise, push-ups may not always be the most enjoyable activity, but the rewards are truly worth it. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at how just 25 push-ups a day can change your body in a myriad of ways. Push-ups are a form of strength training, which is designed to build muscle, endurance, and strength. Push-ups are considered as one of the most effective exercises for working the arms and chest. They target the triceps, biceps, pectoral muscles, and shoulders, and when done properly, push-ups also help to strengthen the core and lower back by engaging the abdominal muscles. One of the greatest benefits of push-ups is that they help to improve your posture. When your core muscles are weak, it can lead to poor posture and cause discomfort as you age. By regularly performing push-ups, you can condition and strengthen these core muscles, which can lead to a more upright and natural posture. This can also help to prevent back pain and other issues that can arise from bad posture. A strong core is crucial for maintaining stability and preventing injury, and push-ups are a great way to achieve this. In addition to core and upper body strength, push-ups also help to increase muscle definition throughout the body. As you perform push-ups, a wide range of muscles are recruited and activated, which can lead to greater production and release of human growth hormone, HGH. This hormone plays a crucial role in muscle growth and development, and it's especially important as we age. As HGH production declines with age, push-ups can help to boost HGH levels, leading to more muscle mass and definition. Push-ups are also great for burning calories and shedding pounds and are recommended in various workout plans. The more push-ups you do, the more calories you burn, making it a safe and efficient way to lose weight. This can also help to boost your metabolism and improve your overall health. Another great benefit of push-ups is that it improves your cardiovascular health. By performing push-ups, you are increasing your heart rate, which can help to improve your cardiovascular fitness and overall heart health. This can lower your risk of heart disease, stroke, and other cardiovascular conditions. Push-ups also help to improve your bone density. As you perform push-ups, you are placing stress on your bones, which can help to stimulate bone growth and improve your bone density. This can help to prevent conditions like osteoporosis, which can lead to brittle bones and an increased risk of fractures. Push-ups are also a great way to relieve stress and improve your mental health. Exercise in general has been shown to have a positive impact on mental health, and push-ups are no exception. By focusing on your breathing and form during push-ups, you can help to calm your mind and reduce stress. This can lead to improved mood, better sleep, and an overall sense of well-being. Push-ups are a versatile and effective exercise that can have a significant impact on your overall health and fitness. By incorporating just 25 push-ups into your daily routine, you can improve your posture, prevent back pain, core strength, upper body strength, increase muscle definition, improve cardiovascular health, bone density, and mental health. It is a simple yet powerful exercise that requires no equipment and can be done anywhere at any time. It's a great way to get a full-body workout and improve overall health, and it's definitely worth adding to your daily exercise routine. So, give it a try, and you'll be amazed at the results you'll achieve. Now that we've discussed the potential benefits of daily push-ups, it's important to remember to start small and gradually increase the number of push-ups you do each day. It's also important to listen to your body and adjust the intensity of the push-ups according to your abilities and limitations. And, consistency is key, so make sure to stick with your daily push-up routine, and you'll see the benefits in no time. To properly execute a push-up, start in a plank position with your hands placed slightly wider than shoulder width apart, keeping them flat on the ground, and your fingers pointing forward. Make sure to engage your core and keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Next, lower your body by bending your elbows, keeping them close to your side. Your chest should come close to the ground but not touch it. This is the lowering phase of the push-up. After that, push through your hands to straighten your arms and return to the starting position. This is the pushing phase of the push-up. Repeat the movement for the desired number of reps. Remember to keep your core engaged throughout the exercise, Keep your body in a straight line and avoid sagging or hyperextending in your lower back. It's important to start with a small number of reps and gradually increase the number as you get stronger. Keep your elbows close to your side and not flared out. Make sure to be on a comfortable surface. Having a good exercise mat will provide several benefits for protecting your body when doing push-ups and other floor exercises. A good mat will provide cushioning for your joints, which can help reduce the impact and stress on your wrists, elbows, and shoulders. This is especially important for individuals who have joint pain or are at risk of injury. A mat should also provide a non-slip surface, which can help increase stability and reduce the risk of slips and falls during exercises. This is particularly important for exercises such as push-ups, where proper form and stability are crucial for getting the most out of the exercise and avoiding injury. Overall, using a good exercise mat when doing push-ups and other floor exercises can help you get the most out of your workout, while protecting your body and the flooring. Following these steps will help you to perform a proper and efficient push-up that targets the right muscle groups. Give it a try and you'll be on your way to a stronger, healthier you. There are several different variations of push-ups, each targeting different muscle groups. The wide push-up, which is similar to the standard push-up but with the hands placed wider than shoulder width apart, targeting the chest muscles more effectively. The close push-up is the opposite of the wide push-up, with the hands placed closer than shoulder width apart, targeting the triceps more effectively. The diamond push-up is similar to the close push-up but with the hands placed close together, forming a diamond shape with the thumbs and index fingers, targeting the triceps and inner chest. The decline push-up is performed with the feet elevated on a surface such as a bench or step, which increases the difficulty and targets the upper chest more effectively. The incline push-up is performed with the hands elevated on a surface such as a bench or step, which decreases the difficulty and targets the lower chest more effectively. The one-arm push-up is performed with the other arm placed behind the back, which increases the difficulty and targets the chest, shoulders, and core more effectively. The plyometric push-up is performed by exploding off the ground and clapping the hands together at the top of the push-up before returning to the starting position. This variation increases the difficulty and targets the chest, shoulders, and triceps more effectively. Lastly, the knee push-up, which is performed with the knees on the ground instead of the toes, decreases the difficulty and is a great way for beginners to build up their strength before attempting standard push-ups. If you consistently do 25 push-ups every day, you can expect to see improvements in upper body strength and muscle tone, particularly in the chest, shoulders, and triceps. Additionally, push-ups can help improve core strength, as well as cardiovascular endurance. It's important to note that consistent exercise is key for continued strength and fitness gains. It's also important to have a well-rounded fitness routine including cardio, stretching and other strength training exercises. Doing just 25 push-ups per day can lead to a number of physical, mental, and emotional benefits. If you're looking to improve your upper body strength, cardiovascular health, posture, and mental toughness, then incorporating push-ups into your daily routine is a great place to start. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. For more great information on health and fitness, please subscribe to our channel.